wanna know slope or steepness of an angle. That's 10. Tangent explode near 90 degree, but that's its power. It describes steepness. It's rarely used alone, but essential for calculation with slopes, aiming angles, or field of view maths. And here, to get this note, just right click and type in 10 and you will get this note. Well, here we have a good example of how to use it. So it's not basically how actually you are going to use in the game, but for now, better understanding, we are following from our previous tutorial of sine and cos. So we on the event tick we are getting the game time in seconds, and then we are taking it to 10, and the 10 multiplying with 50 gives a very unique value which will rotate the whole mesh in a very amazing way. Let's just see it in action, then we will get the better understanding of how it actually works. So as you can see on the screen, the mesh actually rotating leftward, and as soon as it reaches 90 degrees it goes berserk. As you can see on the screen, it actually can be used if you are making something which looks like this, but this is generally used in big formulas. But for now, you can see how beautiful it looks. As soon as it reaches 90 degree, it goes berserk. Now mainly used in advanced camera system, trajectory maths, or procedural training. Most dev won't even touch 10. But when you do, it solves a problem nothing else can. So it's a very useful node. And hey, if you like seeing these nodes in action, check out the game I'm building, Reborn the Evil Being. It's all blueprint under the hood, and the demo is free to play on Steam. Hope that helps, and as always, I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you around.